powerful bomb cyclone barreled across the United States, unleashing severe weather across parts of several states. Thousands of flights witnessed delays and cancellations across the Northeast U.S. due to snow, leaving travelers stranded during the holiday season. Snow fell overnight in upstate New York's Syracuse as the National Weather Service issued a winter storm warning until New Year's Eve. Forecasters say the winter storm intensified quickly to meet criteria of a bomb cyclone, a system that rapidly strengthens as pressure drops. Parts of the central U.S. woke up on Monday to freezing temperatures. Freezing rain was reported in parts of northern New York, with the threat extending into Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. According to Vermont State Police, they responded to 92 crashes overnight, 3 of which resulted in injuries. The storm also made driving dangerous. In Iowa, intense blizzard conditions resulted in dozens of crashes, including one that killed a person during the storm. This, according to state troopers. Winter situations remain fragile across the United States. More than 153,000 people faced power outages on Tuesday, more than a third of them in Michigan alone. Passengers face long delays and cancellations at major airports, including Chicago, Minneapolis, as well as Cleveland. Meanwhile, the South braced for severe thunderstorms as a powerful cold front known as a Blue Norther swept through the region, ending days of record warmth. Cities like Atlanta and Dallas are expected to see sharp temperatures drop by Tuesday. The National Weather Service has now predicted more inclement weather conditions for the eastern U.S., including quick bursts of heavy snow, as gusty winds known as snow squalls. New York Governor Kathy Hochul warns that whiteout conditions are expected Tuesday in parts of the state, including the Syracuse metro area.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.